Hi, welcome back to UChat tutorial. In this video, I'm showing you how to use persona in Facebook Flow. So what is persona and why we need that? Persona can help improve user experience. Let me show you how it looked like before persona. So this is UChat support on our website. Continue as a guest. And now you can actually easily find out that it is a bot. You know, sometimes users, they might just don't like to talk to a bot. So by setting a persona, giving it a name and a nice profile photo, it makes them feel that, oh, I'm talking to a real human being rather than a bot. Now let me show you how to add persona in UChat. In your flow, go content, then persona, add persona. So Alice. Let's choose a photo for Alice and also Bob. Okay, so and we can create a new tag called set persona and then also a user view persona as tags. So that in the main flow, when a user coming in, open a new conversation, we can check whether the user has set persona tag. If not, then we can go to a split step, and 50% we will go to set Alice for them, and another 50% will go Bob. So in the action step, go advanced action, then set persona, you set Alice. And also you can change the value in the variable. To Alice and Bob, advanced action, set persona, Bob, and set variable value. Okay, so after setting, go to welcome. So this welcome is here. So when the user already been assigned a persona, then go to welcome. Like, hi user, welcome to UChat. I am persona, the name of the persona. Then how may I help you? Yeah, them. And also, you know, since usually a conversation is like less than an hour or 2 hours. So after 2 hours later, you can give a smart delay, and 2 hours later remove the set persona tag to user, so that in the next conversation your bot will assign a new random persona to the user. Okay, publish it. So let's test it again. Continue as guest. Now you can see Alice from UChat.com.au. And this is Alice's profile photo. Yeah. And hi. Greeting, how can I assist? Yeah, that looked perfect. So in live chat, you can also change a persona. For example, I changed to Alice, changed to Bob. Yeah, now it's Bob from UChat.com.au. So you can also change persona when you transfer the user from one department to another. And also at the backend, you can, when user talk to human, and you can continue as you are Bob or Alice and talk to them. Yeah, that's all about persona, and thank you for watching this video. And if you have any questions, please comment below. In the next video, I'm showing you how to set dynamic user menu in Facebook Flow. See you next time.